Welcome to Project End Station. The doors don't normally behave like this. I take no pleasure in revisiting this wretched place. I heard rumors of the research that transpired after my departure towards Holler, a gateway to hell.
Looks like Omega Group decided to pick up where the Nazis left off. We should get the power on.
Warning. Energy stabilization required at 50%. Energy stabilization at 100%. Stabilization restored. Anomaly generated.
My God! The atom smasher. The collision of the particles. No wonder they abandoned atomic research. They found something. Signal lost. I don't know how, but they disappeared. Strikey, are you there? Can you hear me?
Comlink re-established. Thought we lost you there. What happened? Where did they go?
It appears our strike team went on a little trip. Systems show they have now returned.